felt since the last time you got adjusted?
Like, please come back. I think within days I was like, oh my god, you're back. Like, cause dear God. This is just like him. It's a work habit. So just stiffness in back on the spinal area, but mostly up here.
Are you having to lift, carry a lot? Like,
well, yeah, equipment wise, yeah.
Are they on wheels? Is some of it like in coolers?
Most of it's on wheels. And most of it's on wheels, but it's just the just the practice, just over and over. Even the past 3 days, it's been events since Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So
how long do your events usually last?
The event itself, while I'm there, is 3 hours, but between prep and coming back breakdown, right, and then actually getting back here, that's basically the whole day.
So one leg face down for me.
Cool. If my foot is anything short of what it's supposed to be, I'll be upset.
I mean, you need a month. A whole month. Good? If I have any changes in the last 7 days.
I'll be upset.
Alright, so we're going to lift this leg first.
Okay.
Go ahead. Oh, we're going to go back down and we're going to do this again with a straight leg. There we go. Alright, back down. And then the other one. Was one more difficult than the other?
Yeah, they're right.
I say, be honest.
Damn it.
Be honest.
Here we go.
See his little
Yeah, I see it.
Now it's not that much of a difference than it was last time. Like last time it was a pretty big difference. Yeah. Take this ankle and cross it over that one for me. But yeah, think about it. You lift more with one side than the other.
True, yeah.
So your body has to counteract that. If you lift a lot with your right, you're pulling more with your right.
Right.
And then you probably, if you got anything with straps, you probably have most of the stuff on your left side, so your right hand is free.
Yeah.
Are you stretching throughout the week?
No.
Yes.
Okay. So I feel the
I'm stretching my hand to that box.
I feel in here the lies.
And 1, and 2, and 3.
This leg straight up. Okay,
Yeah, already better.
and the other one. And back down. So both of you guys need to be stretching. And I say that, but I didn't stretch today.
No, you're right.
I didn't stretch today. And it's not easy. I'm not gonna lie, it's not easy to fit that into your schedule. I really I have to wake up an extra 20 minutes in the morning just to make sure I get to the gym. So it's like when I get done, I can give myself a good 7-8 minutes to just stretch it out.
You're right.
And that also has me get up at 5.
Oh my God. The issue is I'm on definitely a night owl. I don't go to sleep till on average midnight at the earliest.
Man, you could have been stretching while you watching TV.
Oh, I ain't watching TV. I'm on the game. Playing Fortnite.
What game?
Good old Fortnite.
Alright, deep breath in. Hold it out.
Oh, I think I just fractured something just now.
Better. No, look about you.
Yeah.
Hold on, he gotta relax. He gotta relax. I can't do this with these checks.
I'm sorry.
Alright, I'm good.
You ready? Alright. Deep breath in. Look.
That was nice.
Very nice. Alright.
Yes.
Beautiful. There you go.
She had to laugh to keep the whole room going.
Alright, deep breath in.
That was very good.
Yeah.
Okay, ladies, tell me.
A mile away.
I felt that. Looking at my back.
Alright, lift this leg again.
Straight leg, fat.
Then the
See,
other one.
you know doing that.
Better?
Better idea.
Most definitely.
Alright, so I'm gonna drop this in. And drop the other one. Alright, deep breath in. All the way up. Good. Take it straight back. And fall. Go. See if there's anything left after you earlier.
Oh, you got some.
I'm like, what are you
What you doing?
doing?
Wait for that. That's like you walk in here with some sushi in your hand. What you doing?
From Publix.
Oh, look, I would take leave. I'll take a deposit full amount.
Deep breath in. Oh, yeah. Drop the shoulder. There we go. All right, going to flip over on your back. Let's see you follow my hand.
I can put Bryce in a circle too.
I ain't fooling with y'all. Deep breath. All the way up. There we go. Ooh. You got some of them. I was able to get 2 of them.
Oh boy, that's funny.
All right, you're gonna sit up for 3. 1, 2, 3.
Lord Jesus! Ooh, I see butterflies.
Is that it?
You really want that?
So okay, so what do you want? Okay, I get it.
You see what I'm saying?
Me, I'm like, what do you want to eat? I'm like, I want this. All right, we'll find fat close to what you want.
Get maybe get a little simple, okay? But most.
Deep breath in and out and stretch. All right, deep breath in. All the way up. Look up, look up, look up, look up.
Oh yeah, that's the one.
Yeah.
That's gonna take some air out of you real quick. She's in the cage. She start whining though, so.
Don't remind me.
So like I said, so I've already told both of them about you. That he's the one that would use you. She'd be terrified.
You all good? You got your second?
All right, lay in your back.
You're the one person.
I'm more terrified for you. Why? Because I feel like you would be scared for this.
Oh, wow.
See? On cue. On the cue. Ooh,
All right,
ow.
take a deep breath in. Let it go.
She's like, that sounds like a hospital bill. Nope. You're not doing that.
See what we mean? See? Within seconds, she's like, ooh, oh Jesus. They're cracking things.
Oh, my God.
Okay, here comes the mother. Comes.
Stop judging. Stop. We talked about this. Stop judging. They do good. See? Yeah. Okay. Okay. What?
You know your bathroom could use some
Oh.
Oh yeah, I could. I know.
Got it.
Deep breath in.
It's fine. So you can wince.
Well, she's gonna like the sound of the knuckles cracking. That's the other problem. It's just
Oh, there's just little air pockets in your joints.
she. Well, you know, Mom never like that. She hated it when we were teenagers. She hated hearing that sound. In fact, remember we in the car, cracking knuckles. Stop that.
Yeah, I still get beat up.
Yeah, see. So hers get her own joints cracked. She wouldn't like it. She's more of the massage type.
Yeah, massage is fun, but it doesn't get to that gets to the issue.
Am I wrong, Miss Dr. Howell?
Soft tissue, yeah. It's good to get an adjustment around the time you get a massage. You get adjusted around the time you get a massage. Your massage lasts longer. You ever heard people that get a massage and like a week later they feel like they have to get another one? It's because they didn't adjust the problem. It's like
Ooh,
not
that
getting
was
a
good.
front end alignment on the car and you still have to get tires done.
Yeah. Yeah. It's why your tires wear unequally too.
Right.
They're not balanced or aligned.
You get all the new tires you want and then change them.
Yeah.
So let me sit up straight. I didn't think I finished your neck. Sit up and look that way. Face that way. Put your headphones. Your mom only lost her mind just a little bit.
I told you. I'm telling you. He'll be fine with it. She's not. This is not her thing.
There you go. All right, stand up, walk around.
About 25, 30 minutes? If that. Don't believe in the back. Oh, well, no, it's not those. It's not those.
So
No.
you gotta eat.
The girls that's walk on top of you ain't
Put your
that.
arms back.
Yeah.